everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm super excited for this video because I'm currently in my new house living with 4 other girls, and it's my senior year at Chapman University for college, so finally I don't have to live on campus. I'll definitely give you guys a room tour, but this just reminded me of last year in March when COVID was getting really bad and everyone was moving back home. And so I had to pack up my entire apartment and move back home too. But all the movers were charging like crazy, insane rates to move just like an hour or two of stuff. So I thought it'd be funny to go on Hinge, the dating app. Again, not sponsored, but this is such a great story. So I thought it'd be funny to put in my bio, hit me up if you have a truck, or please hit me up if you have a truck. And then I ended up matching with Kyle, the rapper, who sang I Spy, his assistant, who is a Chapman University alumni. And so our first date, he came to my apartment and I had packed up all of my boxes already, and he helped me do all the heavy lifting and moved all of my stuff onto his truck and to the storage unit. And then he drove back and forth from my apartment to the storage unit like 3-4 times to store all of my stuff. So yeah, like without him, I would not have been able to go back home. So I'm so grateful. He's literally my Lord and Savior. I offered to pay him for helping me move, but he said no. So yeah, if you can't find love on Hinge or any other dating app, at least you can find someone to help you move or do something for you for free. Okay, so we just got news that Riley, one of our roommates, she's going on a date with us.
Yay!
With a guy.
First in a very long time, so this is kind of a big deal.
Yes, and she is going on a date with like this guy who's picking her up on a motorcycle.
Which is funny because two weeks ago, Riley randomly asked, "Would you ever go on the back of a motorcycle with a guy?" And I was like, "No, I'm too scared."
Yeah.
And now she's doing it.
Yes.
We love that. We don't know what she's gonna wear though.
Oh my gosh, bitch! I'll take you on a motorcycle.
I know. Let's go on a motorcycle.
Yeah.
Okay, I would go on a motorcycle, but it has to be like, if I really want to impress them. Like if I really like them.
Yeah.
Like, okay, I guess. But
I know how to moped. It's like kind of the same thing, right?
Yeah, that's what she was saying. She was like,
yeah.
I mean,
she's here.
Thank you, girl.
Okay, so you said she has these blue shorts.
Where are those blue like frilly shorts?
Okay, what about a leather jacket? We're putting together an outfit. Putting together an outfit for Riley. She's going on motorcycles, so no dresses. Oh my god, Riley's gonna exile me. I'm sorry.
First day in the middle. I can't believe it's your first day.
No, it is, yeah.
I
feel like it's been the longest day ever.
It really has.
Yeah. What are we doing right now?
Taking shots of water.
Taking shots of water
Because Riley needs a little, oh god.
No, but I don't understand how people can go on a date without like getting a little bit tipsy.
You have to pregame it. If you go sober, I just don't even know.
Yeah, like
I mean, even if you have to drink, drive there and then in the parking lot.
Oh yeah.
You go crazy. Okay, we have shots ready. Here you go.
Thanks.
No problem.
What the heck?
All right, to
To
friends and lovers, the others.
Yeah.
So bad.
Oh my god, he's here, guys. Okay, we won't vlog.
Get into that.
Always kind of new.
No. She's gone. She's
Oh my god.
Guys, we're gonna go surfing now. We're at Huntington Beach. It's my very first time, so I'm nervous. But look at it. Oh my god. This neighborhood is so pretty. Whenever I come to like Huntington Beach, Newport, I always like fantasize living in one of these houses.
Oh, I know.
You know.
Oh my gosh.
Hey guys, so we still have a home tonight because our roommate assigned us the task that we each had to kiss a guy at the bar. So I kissed 2 guys and she kissed 1.
That's okay, because he was a Marine.
They weren't cute though, but what up? So now we're not homeless. We can still come home.
We love that for us.
Oh my gosh.
Shout out to us.
Yes. I don't know. I think the bar was fun, but too many Marines and a lot of old dudes. So I don't know, but she loved it. She loves it. Okay, guys, I was just peeing and I saw this massive. Ah! Oh my god! Oh my gosh, do you guys see that? I'm actually mortified. Like, I don't know how to kill it. Like, I don't know how to kill it. Ah! Oh my gosh. I can't find any bug sprayers, pesticide. Like, I've only got bleach. What is this? Like, Windex? I might just have to kill it with my slippers. Oh my gosh. Whew. Hey guys, we're about to do this overalls photo shoot. We're in like pink overalls. So I thought it was gonna be a photo shoot at like the house, but we're going to a park.
We're gonna actually go to a park.
Izzy's in charge of all the TikTok dances we're gonna do. This tank with strawberry detailings on it. This is from Urban Outfitters. It has an open back like that. And then also these Y2K pants. They're really in style right now, the low rise. I love the fit. Oh my god. Okay. There he goes, pooping. I got trash bags though. So. Guys, I just returned my neighbor's dog and he has 3 dogs, so I'm walking the other one. This one's 10 years old. He's more mellow, but he's so cute. I'm so happy my neighbor has dogs, so I can just walk them whenever I want. Free dog walker. Hey guys, so I got bored, so I flew to Vegas to visit my cousin. I'm at the airport. I just landed. I don't even know what I'm doing here because I was literally here for the entire July. And I felt kind of bored because other than going out, there's nothing really you can do in Vegas because it's like right next to the desert. It's so hot. It's always like over 100 degrees, like burning. Like I cannot stand being outside. Of course, we have all the casinos and like Vegas just be having casinos everywhere. And it's like so fun even when you like lose and stuff. Okay, so I'm at the house. Since my cousin has 2 kids, the entire house is like their playhouse. But I'm drinking the boba. It's like, I think it's Hokkaido milk tea with boba and pudding. So I had Starbucks this morning, and then I have this rule for myself that's like, if I drink coffee, I won't drink boba, and if I drink boba, I won't drink coffee in the same day, just because it's like I'm trying to control my consumption of sugar. But I have such a sweet tooth, and like every day before bed, after dinner, I like have to have dessert, and like fruit doesn't count as dessert for me because it doesn't satisfy me like ice cream and sweets do. While my other roommates, I feel like they're all like pretty healthy. They just like don't eat after like 11 and just go to bed. I like will come out of my room at like 3 a.m. and be like cook pasta. That's what I did yesterday. So I cooked pasta at 3 a.m. because I was hungry and it wasn't even that good. Okay, final room reveal. So originally I wanted it to be super minimalistic and like white modern and stuff, but I just realized like decorations takes so much money. So these lights are like my old lights from my apartment. And this is just my drawer and my desk. These are like the TikTok famous candles. Honestly, it's so aesthetic to look at, and I always just pick them up and touch it. And they smell good too. Fake flowers, fake plants. This is my vintage Polaroid. I honestly think it's kind of broken because my roommates and I took photos the other day and the ink just looks kind of off, but it's still really cute. It's me and my roommates. My vanity mirror, I love this. It's like a giant iPad. And then this part is just my bed, my name, and then this mirror from Hobby Lobby. I love this. It's actually really big. And then my jewelry, because I used to store my jewelry in a box and I just never really like use all of it because it was inconvenient to take out. So I just have my gold jewelry. I don't really wear a lot of gold. And then all my silver jewelry, chains. I love chains. Wear them every day. And then my earrings. I love these ones. They're from a Coca-Cola factory in China. My chrome hearts earrings. I love these. They're so badass. But this is kind of hard to put on because of the small earring thing. And then another TikTok famous candles. This honestly looks like Kim K's body, so I don't mind that. And then this is for my dorm. Everyone had one of these. Okay, and then my closet. So this part, I put my tank tops, shirts, and like I started hanging up my pants because I just feel like when you hang clothes up, you're more likely to wear them as opposed to when you have them folded in there. And then my shoes are down here, my sneakers. I want to get gibbets for my Crocs, so they're like the things you put in there. I didn't know what they were called, but I have like Jordans here, my white sneakers, dresses, and then the other side I store my winter clothes. And also I have more winter clothes, but they don't fit here, so they're in the garage. My bikini's there. And then back to my door. I have the bags I use the most. I love this bag. It's my absolute favorite. It's from Depop. It's such a good find. It's from Bershka. And this was actually my very first designer bag purchase from Louis Vuitton. I had a job over the summer where I did sales, and I used all my money basically that I earned to get this bag. But it's worth it because I wear a lot. So yeah, that's my final room tour. Hey guys, I'm on campus right now, but if you liked the video, please like, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my move-in vlog, me and my roommates. I hope you all have a great year and start of school if you're in college or high school or whatever. So yeah, see you guys next time.